Welcome back to another deep dive into the world of high-performance automotive engineering, where today we are witnessing what happens when German precision meets Italian passion in the most aggressive way possible. The Lamborghini Urus has already established itself as one of the most dominant forces in the super SUV segment, but the master craftsmen at Brabus have decided that factory perfection simply was not enough. Known for their legendary work on Mercedes Benz platforms, Brabus has expanded its horizons to create something truly menacing based on the Urus S, and the result is the Brabus 900 Superblack. This is not just a cosmetic package, but a complete mechanical overhaul that pushes the boundaries of what a high-riding family vehicle can actually achieve on the tarmac. At the heart of this shadow-cloaked monster lies a heavily modified version of the standard 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Brabus did not just tune the software, they went into the hardware, increasing the displacement to 4.5 liters. This bored-out engine, combined with larger turbochargers and a high-performance exhaust system, allows the vehicle to produce a staggering 900 horsepower, or 888 brake horsepower. Torque is equally impressive, reaching a mountain-moving 811 pound-feet, though it is electronically limited to protect the drivetrain during aggressive launches. When you put those numbers to the ground, the performance figures are nothing short of breathtaking for a vehicle of this size. The sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour is dispatched in a mere 3.2 seconds, which puts it firmly in the territory of dedicated mid-engine supercars. Even more impressive is the top speed, which has been bumped up to 194 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs currently in existence. Visually, the Brabus 900 Superblack lives up to its name with a sinister aesthetic that leaves no room for subtlety. The entire exterior is bathed in a deep, high-gloss black finish, complemented by an extensive use of exposed carbon fiber. From the aggressive front spoiler and larger intakes to the prominent rear diffuser and roof-mounted wing, every element has been designed to optimize aerodynamics while providing a menacing road presence. One of the most striking features is the set of Brabus Monoblock Z Platinum Edition forged wheels, which measure a massive 24 inches.
These wheels are not just for show, as they are engineered to handle the immense stresses generated by the car's weight and power. Moving inside the cabin, the transformation continues with what Brabus calls their masterpiece interior. The standard Lamborghini layout has been replaced with a sea of shadow gray leather, featuring a bespoke diamond stitch pattern that covers the seats, door panels, and even the floor mats. Carbon fiber trim is used liberally throughout the cockpit, and the signature Brabus branding is found on the aluminum pedals and steering wheel. Every surface feels elevated, reflecting the $500,000 price tag that this vehicle carries. Speaking of the price, this particular example, currently listed for sale by Brabus in Germany, is asking for 450,473 euros, which translates to roughly $491,000. Interestingly, this price point puts it just $50,000 short of the $500,000 mark, making it nearly twice as expensive as a standard factory Urus. However, for that price, you are getting a vehicle that has already seen its most significant depreciation and is essentially in brand new condition. This specific unit is a 2023 model with only 1,001 kilometers on the odometer, which is about 622 miles. It represents an opportunity for a collector or an enthusiast to skip the long waiting lists for a bespoke build and drive away in one of the most exclusive SUVs on the planet today. The Brabus 900 Superblack is more than just a fast SUV. It is a statement piece that proves the internal combustion engine still has plenty of room to surprise us. As the automotive industry shifts toward electrification, limited-run masterpieces like this one will likely become even more sought after by those who value raw power and mechanical soul. The combination of Lamborghini's flair and the brutal efficiency of Brabus tuning creates a package that is as capable on a cross-country road trip as it is on the Autobahn. Whether you view it as an unnecessary excess or a pinnacle of engineering, there is no denying that the Brabus 900 Superblack is a dominant force that commands respect. It represents the absolute ceiling of the Urus platform, offering a level of performance and luxury that few other manufacturers can even hope to match.
As we see more high-end tuners take on the challenge of modifying exotic SUVs, the bar continues to rise. But for now, Brabus has set a standard that will be very difficult to beat. If you have the means and the desire for a vehicle that can outrun supercars while carrying the whole family in absolute luxury, this 900 horsepower beast might just be the ultimate garage edition.